Let's now take a quick look at deleting information. Just like we added in columns and rows, we can go ahead and delete columns and rows just by selecting them. Here we had our extra column here in between 2004 and 2005. Let's go ahead and select it, and I'm going to go ahead over on the edit button on top. I'm going to click delete, and it just erases the column very easily. The same is true for our rows. If I go ahead and hit the new row that we created, the summer row, I go up top and hit edit, delete, and it's gone. Also, it's important to know how to that we can also delete entire worksheets. So here we have worksheet 1, 2, and 3, which is actually the default amount of worksheets that the Excel program, an empty workbook starts with 3 worksheets. Let's say we want to go ahead and delete one of those worksheets. Let's say worksheet 3. We would just right click on it, and we see that it's empty. It's a new worksheet, a clean worksheet. We would right click and just hit delete, and now our file for which is just by default labeled book 1 has 2 worksheets in it, worksheet 1 and worksheet 2. Now what happens if we want to change the name of our worksheet? Let's say worksheet 1 is expenses, so we can go ahead and rename it, and worksheet 1 we will call expenses, and let's say worksheet 2 is going to be called income. So now it's a nice way of organizing our workbook. Here we have our 2 sheets, and we can just click on them and go straight to our worksheet expenses or income.